Now we'll see next question, that is the in the letters inside we will see the how the questions are there. Two means option 2s are there for 8th standard. How we will have to solve the question. So one question I will take for you. The question is, see here, find the option which is from the meaningful word. Find the option from below. Find the option from below which forms meaningful word. Which form meaningful word. Meaningful word. Okay. So for this, what we have to do? The group of letters it is given 13, 15, 15, 14. Second is 23, 25, then 18, then 11. Third group is the 7, 15, 2, 4, and fourth group is the what? That is 4, 1, 25. 4, 1, 20 and the 5. 20 and the 5. So these are the 4 groups. So first of all, we will make the form the what? Meaningful. Which of the following below which forms meaningful word? Which not forms? Here we have to take not. Okay. So 13. 13 plus who is there? As I told you, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus who is there? M. 15. O. Sorry, 13 plus who is there? M is there. O. 15 plus O. And 14 plus who is there? N. So moon. Moon is a meaningful word. So in this question inside we have to see the word that is not is what. I here written it upside because to understand it, because sometimes what happens, we have forgot to read the not, and what happens in confusion, first option moon, yes it is correct, and we are circling, but here is a mistake we are doing, that is we are get confused. Next we have to check not word is not. If not, sometimes not inside means what? One only from this 4 option is not forms the meaningful word, others all it is forming. So 23, at which it is 5, 10, here 15, 20. 23 who is there? 21, 22, 23. It is W. Okay. W. 25. It is Y. W. W. Here you take 15, not 25. It is 15 is there. So the 15 plus who is there? O. 18 plus who is there? Just you see here. 18 is R. And 11 plus who is there? K. 5, 10, and just read this. So work. It is also the meaningful word. 7. Who is here? G. 15. O. Second. B. Okay. Next it is the what? 7, 15. G, O, B, and fourth is D. G, O, B, D. This type of word is not there. So it is not a meaningful word. Next we will check. Fourth place is the D. First place A. 20 place T. And fifth place E. So date is also word. So this type of questions will come in the exam. Sometimes the 2 questions they will give you wrong. Suppose I will write here 25. So 25 place which number is there? WYRK. This type of word is not there. So for you have to circle the 2 circle from this, then only it is correct. And if you have to, here they are giving choose 2 correct options. Okay, here they are giving choose 2 correct options. So we have to be careful that if both are the correct, then only you are getting the mark. If one is correct, one is wrong, you will not get the mark for it. So you have to solve these questions very carefully, especially you people, that is the which 8th standard peoples. Now one more question we will see. If the first 3 letters of every group, if the first 3 letters of every group, first 3 letters of every group is taken and a new alphabetical series is made, and a new alphabetical series is formed, then which pair will be equidistant from middle letter, distance from middle letter. Okay, so for this they gave the options FW, second option given AU, third option given KP, and fourth option given CU. Okay, so these are the options. So we have to form the next series. So what they told you, if you take the first three letters of every album, so from this first three letter, from this first three letters, from this first three letters, here's three letter and here three letter. Now I will write the series A, B, C, F, G, H, K, L, M, P, Q, R, and last U, B, W. Now this is my new alphabetical series. Now what we have to find out, from the middle, from this middle letter, how many letters are 3, 6, 9, 12, and this is 15. 15 means 7th will be the middle letter. So here it is 7th is the middle. So here A, B, C, this group leave, here it is L. L is the what? Letter 8th letter is there, it is the middle letter. From L, what we have to find out, which pair is equidistant. So first we will check FW. So F is here, F is here, W is here. How many letters are between F and L? 3 letters are there, and L and W inside how many are there? 6 letters are there. So this is the wrong option. A and U. If A is exactly this side and U is at this position, this is also not the answer. KP. So K is here and P is here. Here it is immediately, it is attached adjacent to the L, but P is not adjacent, it has one letter in between, and lastly C and U. So C is here and U is here, and that is the correct option. So we have to circle which option? Fourth option from this. So this type of question will come in exam for you. If serial number is given from the last, if the serial question we will see, if the serial number is given from last, just I told you at first lecture inside, given from the last in the series, last in the alphabetical series, then what is the sum of it? Then what is the sum of E, A, T? That we have to find out. So first of all, E is here, A is here, and T is at which place? This place. So what they told you, if the serial number is given from last in the alphabet, so from here we have to give. So first of all, we will write the positions of E from last, A and T. So E is present from last, this is first, second, third, fourth group, and from last E is present at 21st number. Now A is present at 25th place, and T is present at which place? From right side T. T is present at which place? 6th place. Okay. So first option is 52, second option is 26, third option is 50, and fourth option is which? 25. So which is the correct one? If you add this 21, 25, 6, you will notice that its sum is how much? 52. So 52 is its answer. So you have to circle first circle. Okay. So first circle, whenever you are circling, circle should be good. Okay. And means suppose this is a circle. How to circle? From first outside you just circle and just come inside. So it will be faster. It is also saves the time whenever you are solving the paper. Next, question is in a new what will be the sum of question is the now here is one question. If the letters in the alphabet are indicated by consecutive even number, so which are that number 2, 4, 6, 8 means A is at first position, so it is second, 4, 6, 8, then next even number is 10, then it is 12. In this way, if we give the numbers to the alphabet, even numbers only, then which word formed by these numbers 32, 10 and 14. If you see here 2, 4 means B's actual position is 2, 2 2s are 4, C's position is 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So in this way, these questions, these letters are coming. So for that we have to divide this 2. If I will divide this 2, I will get it here 16. 10 of it, if I will divide it with 5, 5, then here it is 5, 2, then I get it here 5, and divide with 40 with the 2, then I will got it here 20. So 16, 5 and 20, this positions number I have to, letters I have to find out. So 16 place, who is there? From here 5, 10, 15, 16, 16 place P is there. 5th position E is there. And 20 position T is there. So pet is the meaningful word forms from this letter. So such a types of different questions you will get in your practice paper also today. So today all of you do the practice of this. So we will stop here only. Okay, thank you.